Hey guys, welcome to another product showcase video. This video comes to us from Noctua, and this is their NF-P12 Premium PWM fan. Okay, first thing we're going to do is just have a quick look at the outside of the box. As you can see, the box is their newer style, newer color theme box. This is their proven NF-P12 design, which they've ran for a while. Pressure optimized 9-blade design on the fan. Vortex control notches, ultra low power consumption, low noise adapters included, extension cabling options, and their SSO bearing. To open up the package, not like the older boxes where it opened in the back, this one actually has a front display, which inside will show you about the blade design, the vortex notches, as well as the staggering vortex control modules. So a lot of the information on the fan itself, a see-through package of the fan, as well as a few accessories and information about the other items that are included in it. Let's open up the box and have a look at what comes with it. Inside the box itself, you're going to find a small installation guide that's going to explain to you the installation of it, how to mount it, connection information, cleaning and maintenance, as well as warranty and support. Okay, inside the box we have the fan itself, of course, as well as a lot of accessories. They always do a nice job of including everything you might need when installing your fan. This is their low noise adapter to knock your RPMs down on the fan if you're not going to run it through the PWM setup and you want to control it manually. You can use the LNA. Otherwise, you can also use this in conjunction with the PWM if you want to max the limit of the RPMs on the fan. This is a Y connector that they include with it, so you could simply plug in one end and actually run two fans off of it, which would be very nice if you're running a fan that's maybe got a setup for a 240 millimeter radiator and you want to use a couple of these fans for it, or if you're going to use it on a CPU cooler and want to do a push-pull configuration, that you could have the plug-in for both of them. They give you a nice long cable extension with it. The cables that come on the fan itself are actually fairly short to keep cable management in mind for people with cases that really don't want a ton of extra wires. But if you have a full tower case or an application where you need an extension, they do include a nice sleeved one with it. Then we have your standard 4 screws for mounting it into your case, as well as they also include 4 of these rubber or neoprene mounts for anti-vibration mounts for the fan. So let's move this stuff aside and have a closer look at the fan itself. Okay, let's have a look at the fan. You can see that it's the traditional Noctua colors, the brown and cream colored. Actually, if we flip it over, we're going to get a better look at like your vortex notches on it. As you can see, they're staggered a little bit to break up the sound coming through, the air current flowing through it itself, to break up the frequency of it. This fan does use their proven NF-P12 design, which they've had for a while, but they have included the new things like the PWM control for it, pressure optimized 9-blade design, vortex control notches. This uses the custom design PWM IC with SCD, which is smooth communication drive, and what that does is keep the fan from making any annoying noises, clicking, that sort of thing, power switching when down at low RPMs with your PWM. This is also an ultra low power consumption fan, so it's going to give you very good green effects for your case if you're worried about saving energy on a 120 millimeter fan. Okay, let's dive right into the specs on this fan now. Dimensions on this are 120 by 120 by 25 millimeter. This does use their patented SSO bearing in it. It's a long lifespan bearing. This is a pressure optimized 9-blade design with vortex control notches. So it's great for adding static pressure to a case. This does operate on a max input power of 1.2 watts. This has a mean time before failure of 150,000 hours, so just a huge amount of time that these are warranted for. Max revolution or rotational speed, excuse me, without the low noise adapter is 1300 RPMs. With low noise adapter, 900 RPMs. Max airflow is 92.3 without the adapter, 63.4 with the low noise adapter. Acoustical noise is 19.8 decibels without adapter and 12.6 decibels with the low noise adapter. Max static pressure is 1.68 without adapter and 1.21 with the low noise adapter. So some pretty impressive specs, which you'd really kind of expect to see from a Noctua fan. They are the top of the line as far as, I think, the best of the best in fans. The design work that they put into their fans is amazing, that they keep coming up with new things to make them quieter, make them perform better, use less energy. Just a great all-in-all product, and with a mean time before failure of 150,000 hours, this thing is going to last you for a long time. So it would be a great choice for whether you're going to use it for ventilating a case or adding it for a CPU cooler, whatever your needs might be for a 120 millimeter fan, especially one that has the PWM control, so that you can regulate the speeds of it and how much pressure you want in the case. This would be a great choice. So anyway, that's going to do it for this product showcase. I want to thank Noctua for providing this item for our showcase, and I want to thank you for watching.